and welcome to HooplaKidz How To.
Hi kids, let's take a trip to Fantasyland today because we're gonna draw a unicorn. First, start with the body, the ears, and a big round eye. Amazing! Now draw the forelock and the magical horn. Yay! Let's draw a majestic mane. And a small cute nose. Now a big curve for the rest of the body. The front legs and back legs. And finally, a big fluffy tail. We did such a good job! It's time to give our masterpiece a nice, neat outline. Looking great! Keep going! Here comes the real magic. Let's color in. First comes purple, then red for the mane, orange, and some yellow too. A lovely green, a darker green too, and lastly purple. How beautiful does our unicorn look? Let's use blue for the horn. We can use pink for the hooves. Aren't you having fun, kids? Let's color the tail now. Begin with a red, then some orange, yellow, light green, and purple. Yippee! Add some finishing touches with a lovely pink. Here it is, kids, the most magical unicorn ever. Hope you had lots of fun learning. See you next time. Hi kids, did you know there are mermaids that live underwater? Would you like to make a mermaid today? Yes, let's do it. Let's start by making her long hair and her face. That was simple, wasn't it? Make her eyes and a mouth. Are you with me? Now let's make her body. I wish I was a mermaid. Life would be so much fun living underwater. Mermaids have a tail. Let's make a tail. Our mermaid is ready. Let's make her friends. And some seaweed. Ta-da! Our drawing is ready. Let's give it an outline. Now, let's have some fun and paint it. Paint her body and face with skin color. I do get dreams that I am a mermaid though. Paint her hair pink. Yay! We're almost done! Paint the bubbles. Don't forget to paint the shells orange. Keep painting. Paint the seaweed green. Paint the necklace blue. our mermaid is ready for the ocean. Hope you guys had fun. Hi kids, ready to draw a cute little kitty? Let's begin. Start with the bow. Her ears, a little triangle and a circle for her face. Let's draw the eyes and a cute little nose. Draw a rectangle for the kitty's body and a line across, which will be her dress. A straight line for the legs. And now the arms. Whiskers on both sides. And done! That was easy. Let's give a nice outline. Ta-da! Looking good, kitty. Let's use pink for her dress. Keep going with nice and neat strokes. Isn't our kitty super cute? A red bow will look lovely. And a cute yellow nose. Here is our kitty. Hope you had fun. Hey kids, let's draw a cute little calf in the bathroom. Let's start by drawing our calf's face. And a cute little smile. The spots too. Looks great. Let's draw his arm holding a bottle. And a bathtub for our cute friend. He'll need a brush for his bath to scrub himself nice and clean. And a cute little duck too. Isn't it super cute? Almost done. Let's draw the soap bottles. And his bubble bath bottle. Let's add some details. And now we color in. Let's use yellow for the face. And the duck. The bottles too. Red color for the tongue, the horns, and the brush. Let's use red for the tiny details too. Add some blue now. For the spots, we should use black. Don't you think so? We're almost done, kids. Some grey for the bathtub. And blue for the mat. Hey, look! Our bathroom is ready! Hope you had fun!